Let's go, guys.
Oh, you know?
Cleaning. Yeah. Cleaning. Cleaning the area. Today is his birthday. So we are gonna visit him, you know. So hi.
Hi.
There's no name yet.
Ano? Ano? What's the name?
Ludivina Villanera. It's not Oscar.
Nahulog. Papas daw.
Oh my goodness. It's fall.
Huli.
Did I fix that one?
Dikit na, dali.
Oh my goodness.
Wait. Wait lang.
Okay.
Wait lang.
Oh, si mother niya. Our Lola.
Okay. Okay lang.
Yeah. Yeah, that one.
Good.
September 1957.
Yes.
Dahil
2011 died. June 6.
from living family.
Yeah, cleaning.
11, yeah.
June 6.
13 years.
Yep. 13 years
Long
already.
time ago.
Yeah. This is our first time
Very young.
visit me. As me only, yeah.
Me is many times.
Uy. Okay. Cleaning na.
Today is September 13.
Yep. Exactly, you see?
My father's birthday. Wait lang.
Hey.
Ikaw, tita,
Halin po.
ano mo birthday?
Sa March pa po. Oh, butang. Improvise, guys.
It's a good improvise.
Yeah. You know?
Damang, oh. Kuha ko na.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kuha na kong damang yun.
Yeah, so sad. I never meet him.
Yeah.
So sad. I never meet him.
Yep.
Sa bang face niya
Vanessa
ba?
is 8 years.
Ang sa bang face
So
niya?
since
Ano bang face
13
niya?
years. Yeah, 5 years later. Vanessa, come here.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll give you a click.
Just
Yeah,
remember
well.
him. His birthday.
Yeah.
Visit him.
My
Just-
papa's birthday
Yeah,
and my Lola,
This is
my Lola,
his mother.
his mother.
Ah, here's mother.
Divina B. Villanera. Born
Oh, one here before.
After, yeah.
After
a
him.
year.
Oh my
year.
goodness, too.
That's why he's
Yeah, 2000.
2010.
Yeah.
My Lola also is the same year. The same year with my father's died. My
Yeah.
my mother's side.
Okay, ate.
So there we go.
No.
If he alive, he's now 67. So
63.
67. You right?
Yep.
Because you have
Yeah.
10 years gap. So 67. But he died he's 54, I think.
Ayun na.
Too young.
Too young.
Yeah, young bro. Because of beer, bro.
I'm 2 years older than him now,
No, makapatid.
if you're thinking. Yeah.